In this video, I will show you how to manage the download settings on YouTube. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap Downloads. On the Downloads page, you can manage several settings, including playback, download quality, download over Wi-Fi only, storage location, and delete all downloads, depending on your device and app version. Tap any of these options to customize your download preferences. For example, you can enable or disable download over Wi-Fi only, choose your preferred download quality, change the storage location, or delete all downloaded videos to free up storage space. Once you've made your changes, simply go back. Your settings will be saved automatically. That's it! You've successfully managed the download settings on YouTube. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.